I'm telling you, so let's go. Feel it in the tempo. We don't care about them, we just super like Nintendo. We gonna bust it off, feel the music in your bones. DJ, play that tune, give me something new. We gotta party all night long. Rola pe gaya, rola pe gaya. Dil se gaya, rola pe gaya. Rola pe gaya, rola pe gaya. Sabse ke gaya, rola pe gaya.
You guys are watching Bollywood Drama. Keep watching it.
Namaste London.
Namaste. Yeah, in fact, there have been a few comparisons with the film because you were there in Namaste London as well.
Wait! Wait!
क्या तूने याद कर रहे हैं आप? स्ट्रेटेजी है क्या? स्ट्रेटेजी कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी?
Life saving strategy. जिंदा रहेंगे तो just because Akshay and me are common factors.
Those kind of the speech that Akshay gives about being an Indian and those kind of things in Namaste London.
आपको शायद ये बात दिलचस्प लगे कि हमारे यहाँ 21 भाषाओं में 5,600 अखबार और 3,500 मैगजीन छपती है, जिनको पढ़ने वालों की संख्या 12 करोड़ है। आपके देश के मुकाबले में कई ज्यादा है।
Anyway, here this angle is there, that nationalistic angle in spite of living in.
Well, you're the father is the one nationalist.
But there's a bit of a parallel is being drawn.
Well, it's a good parallel.
He's happy with it.
It's a good parallel.
He's happy with the parallel. What is your take?
I'm also very happy with the parallel because it means it's a very positive sign. So it's good.
इस घर में कोई अपनी मर्जी की नहीं कर सकता।
ये घर मेरा है, जमीन पे नहीं पीठ पे खड़ा किया इसे।
यहाँ किसी में भी हिम्मत नहीं है कि वो अपनी जिंदगी जिए।
You guys, you're actually from UK. All of you are from India.
Put your hands up, are you from UK?
We're mixed.
Mixed.
Yeah.
What is your experience? This is your first film?
This was the first film, yeah.
Okay, so how did you get to play the...
I was asked for an audition in London, basically, and I think these guys were casting in London. I knew this casting director, and I think I just came out of drama school and wasn't on Spotlight, and it's not a very good thing in the UK if you're a serious actor. You have to be on Spotlight. I wasn't taking it seriously, but anyhow, she remembered me and she called me for the audition, and I guess I did a good job.
Fantastic. And what about you?
I graduated from theatre school. I was a stage actor in the UK, and the same casting director called me from having known me from previous auditions, and so I auditioned.
You guys who are from UK, you've lived the entire thing of being an Asian. What were you seeing in the film? How true is it picturized in the real life, since you've experienced it?
I was in the UK alone, actually. I mean, my family doesn't live there, my parents. We lived all over. I lived in Saudi Arabia first, and then in India, and then in the last 10 years in the UK. But some of I think the pain and I guess, being subservient to what you're being told, to what you can pursue.
I don't know whether it is only relevant to what is happening in UK. हर घर में ये हो रहा है. Whether it's happening in the UK, whether it's happening in India, whether it's happening in New Jersey today. When I studied chemistry, my father wanted me to be an engineer. I wanted to make films, and I come from a very liberal family. I come from an extremely liberal family, Bombay, born there. But when I told my father that I want to get into films, I'm sure that he felt that I'm just, it's a, he'll try something and then he'll go back to doing what he wants. I think that the essential thing is that in every house there is this is that the elders know best. In this house, in Patiala house, it was the youngsters have been completely suppressed for, as he said, using the word bully. It is relevant what Gurteep Singh Kalo, the reason why he basically is so rabidly Indian is very relevant because of what he has actually had to face himself as a young factory worker in the UK. But over the years, the world has changed. दुनिया बदल गई. Globalization came in, but this man did not change. What was relevant started manifesting itself into bullying, and he could not bully the community anymore, so he's bullying his family.
It's not deliberate. It's not deliberate for him to bully. It's a very protected family. Thereby, in itself, he manifests to bully. He probably commands them not to do this.
Out of his own experiences, I suppose he's trying to protect us from what he experienced in his youth, and he wants it not to happen to us. But what he doesn't understand is that the world that he was living, the world has changed, and it's not the world that we are living at the moment in the film, because the world has changed so much, and we actually grew up in England. So we think of ourselves as English. As much as we are Indian, we are English because it's our country.
You're a British citizen?
We are all in the film.
Like in reality?
No, I'm an Indian citizen, but I was in England for 7-8 years prior to that.
That's the same reason why I connect to it, because when I watched the first half that you showed me with the real riot, the footage, it was actually what happened in UK. I've lived there, born in India, grew up in UK. I've faced exactly the same thing where I feel the people in India are much more modern. In UK, they don't want the kids to lose the culture. गोरों के साथ ज़्यादा ना mix हो जाएं, अपना culture ना भूल जाएं. This does happen.
Why does it happen? Like, say, we've seen it from films per se, that the nationalistic fervor amongst Asians living abroad, it's much more than maybe what we see in India.
Because we take it for granted now.
Because there they left also so long ago that they're holding on to what they left with.
You know something, Karidun, I was asked this question, and even Ishiji asked me this question when we did the workshop, and we narrated the idea to him, then we came back to him with the full script. Then we've actually, during the costume discussions, we used to keep hammering the script all over. Then we did the workshop. One thing that kept coming to everybody, or lots of people asked me that if he hates London and England so much, wo wapas kyun? Why doesn't he come back? And what I figured out is that question.
I think there is a dichotomy in many ways.
That question actually is asked by lots of people who were born in Bombay. Born in Mumbai, in this city. I have an AD who's come from Bihar, I have ADs who come from Calcutta, and their whole thing is, वापस जाए कहाँ पे? Where do we go back to? We don't mind living in absolute, मतलब यहाँ पे PG रहेंगे, कुछ नहीं होगा यहाँ पे, but the thing is that it is worse there. So in his destiny, as a character, he goes through a certain amount of racism in the beginning of the film, but he decides कि I will not go back. I have come here and I will make this my home, and I will make it the home that I wanted. His spine or his backbone or his flashback is very relevant in the film, and it comes right in the beginning.
आज गोरों की गुलामी में सर क्यों झुकाए, जब कल सबका सर हमारी सलामी में झुक जाएगा?
And then the victim of that is the son. Is Akshay in the film.
मेरा बेटा इंग्लैंड के लिए क्रिकेट नहीं खेलेगा.
And where these guys all come into play is that because Akshay happens to be or their eldest brother of that generation का सबसे बड़ा है. Akshay somewhere is caught up between Rishiji's generation and their generation. He's in between. He's in between, so he doesn't know where to go. And they all hate him. They hate him with a vengeance. They hate him because they feel that 17 years ago you did not stand up to your father. Because you did not stand up to your father, every time we want to stand up, your example is thrown in our face. कि मेरा बेटा अच्छा है, उसने जो मैंने कहा है वो कर रहा है, तुम लोग वो करना चाहिए.
तुमने अपने सपने बाबूजी के लिए सैक्रिफाइस कर दिए, तो अब इन लोगों को सपने देखने की परमिशन नहीं है.
Do what you were born to do.